Yo, what's up? It's your boy Brandon J. I'm back again with another one, man. We doing something a little different today. We doing an unboxing. I had to upgrade my computer, man. That's why my content been coming out slow. Cause the computer I've been using is a Surface Pro i5 processor. I can't remember all the goodies that's on it, but it ain't that good anymore. I guess it's still decent, but it's not perfect for what I'm trying to do. You know what I mean? So I upgraded to a RAZER Blade 15. I was kind of skeptical on getting it, but because of the price point. So it's on sale right now. It's $500 off. So I went on and bought it from Best Buy, and I put the warranty on it because people talk about the blue screen or whatever. So instead of dealing with Razer's crappy customer service, I can go straight to Best Buy. But let's do it. Let's hop right into this unboxing. Here she is. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Power brick. So let's see what all comes in the box. So the big box, you get the power brick. I guess we'll open that up. Power card. Yeah, that's the extra part that goes to the power brick. Oh, and the power brick itself, and it comes with like a braided cord. That's pretty nice. Pretty heavy duty. Pretty decent. Sit that there. Sit that there. Now let's see what's in the box. The Razer Experience. Yes, yes, yes. So they give you this little thing telling you their commitment and all that stuff. I don't know if you guys can read that, but pretty decent. Makes you feel like a quality product, or make you feel like it's super quality. Ooh. I guess there's nothing else in here. They give you a little manual. Let's see what's in here. I ain't gonna lie, I don't never read the directions on nothing. Oh, microfiber. Some stickers. Why everybody give you stickers? Like, that's a big Apple thing. I guess Razer do it too, huh? They give you these cool little stickers, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Oh. And here is the product, the RAZER Blade Powerhouse. It's gonna make my editing life fun. I guess more so than what it is now, huh? Set the plastic off to the side. Oh man, I see what the Everyday Dad was talking about. But I guess this one isn't as bad as the rest of them. Because it is that CNC aluminum, which I like. Good product. Feels good. Feels premium. You know, so. It's not, it's got the Ethernet port. Power port, USB-C 3.0, USB-C. This, I say USB-C, but that's USB-A 3.0 or 2.0. So you got two USB-C ports, two USB-A ports, and the HDMI lock port. And the bottom of the unit is sealed. It's got fans, intake, outtake fans, intake, exhaust, intake, and exhaust to keep this beast of a machine clean when we using it. We gonna have that. We gonna have some more of that got 'em content coming. Got the got 'em merch. Just a little short little plug there while I'm doing the video. Let's open this puppy up. Let's see if it comes from the factory with any juice. This is the 4K display too. So this is actually gonna make my editing pretty fun when it comes to color grading. Let's see if she fires up. It might not have any juice in the factory. Yep, I guess it needs to be charged up. But there's the product, man. 15-inch. Nice 15-incher. Pretty nice 15-incher. 15.6. Can't wait to do some 4K editing on this. You know, so we're gonna see what the content can step up to. See if I can produce more content, because now I'm able to edit my 4K footage and keep things going, man. And wish me luck. Return the RAZER laptop to the retailer. The fastest way to resolve the problem is to contact RAZER support. I don't know how serious I am in believing that, seeing that I heard a lot of negative connotations with people saying, well, I tried to call RAZER support, and the loopholes that they put you through, it seems a little crazy. You know, so we will see. We got this thing booting up, man. We finna check it out. Getting it ready. I guess I gotta do all my little login magic and log into my Windows 10 account and put Adobe Premiere on her Creative Cloud. And then we'll get going and seeing what we got crack-a-lacking, man. Nice piece of machine. Nice piece of machinery, I must say.